Hi guys, my name is Claudine Laris Pelende. We just woke up this morning, so today I'm taking my clothes and my baby brother's clothes downstairs to go and wash them. So as you can see, I'm going downstairs to the washing machine to wash my baby brother's clothes. Going down. Oh, Winnie, why don't you give your baby brother's food and leave this first? As you can see already, the others are already washing. So as you can see, I'm still gonna wait for this ones to finish. So let me just prepare food and give my baby brothers while Winnie is fixing the table. Hi guys, my name is Winnie Laris Palende. It's a good morning. I'm trying to fix the table so you can give my baby brothers food. How are you, Mikai? Did you sleep well?
Yes.
Jojo, how are you? Did you sleep well?
No.
Why?
Because they're taking the blanket.
Taking the blanket.
Yes.
Okay. Why you put the blanket?
I didn't put the blanket. It's here.
That means you are lying. As you can see, I'm putting butter. My baby brothers really love butter so much, so I'm putting it for them. So as you can see, guys, you also have to help your parents at home do what the laundries like I am doing. Also, you have to give. You also, like girls, usually you have to cook at home. Don't just sit at home just while busy on your phone and stuff. You must always be doing things to normally women or your parents like your mom does every day. I'm going to go give my baby brothers their food. As you can see, I'm done. Before I do that, I have chicken. Yeah, I'm going to cook it later. But now first I have to finish it while I'm doing that, give my baby brothers food. I heard that you guys are talking to me that you didn't sleep well. Why? Tell me. Tell.
Because you can't push me out of the bed. He was still on the bed.
Wait, what happened? Why you push him out of the bed? Eh? I can't hear you.
Because I was sleeping.
Because you're sleeping.
Then I woke up.
Then
I saw my face in the floor.
On the floor. Who push you?
It's him. He's
Why?
lying.
How are you lying?
I'm not lying. He pushed me out of the bed.
Okay then. Eat. Eat, guys, eat. So guys, eat. And guys, can you please subscribe down below? So guys, eat fast. Because we're going right now. Eat. Okay, here I'm going to take the broom to continue cleaning the house. So I'm I'm gonna leave them to eat and just go and check at the laundry. Okay, now I'm cleaning the house. Let's check what is in the fridge. Okay, you can see that there's okay, you can see that these boys, they always mess their house every day. So let me put this chair inside. As you can see, I have this thing on my head, so I'm still cleaning. So if I'm finished, I'll go and take a bath. So as you can see, also let me take some piece of bread and I'll go check on the laundry. It just stopped because the clothes are already too much, so I just press start so it will start again. Okay guys, now I'm going to bath. I'll see you later on. What do you want?
Bread.
Also you?
What water?
Joe,
Yes.
how are you?
Fine.
See. Okay, so when you finish, you must come finish. Eat them, go sit there and I'll put for you cutting, so I'll finish with my laundry. Good. So since the washing machine is done, I'm going to take out these clothes and put the other ones. So I'll take out these clothes and go and put them on the machine line. So let me finish. And guys, please subscribe and like and comment down below and tell us what more do you want to see us doing. And I advise all kids to also help their parents at home to do some laundries at home, because it will really help. So Jojo, are you done?
Yes.
Can you please come help me if you want? Hold these clothes, put them here. Oh, don't put too much because the washing machine will freeze. So also you guys when you're at home, when you're washing clothes, don't put a lot of clothes because the washing machine might stop. So now I want to put soap. Put 1 cup of it. Then I'll do start the machine by power. Program quickly and start. So as you can see it, my tembele. This is from African culture, especially Congolese. So I'm going to cook this today with chicken over there later. So Now I want to go and take the dishes that my big brother ate, come and put them in the kitchen table while make them sit in the sitting room and watch cartoon. So as you know that kids love cartoons, so let me go outside and put for them cartoons to watch. It's fine. So now I'm going to go and put the laundry downstairs. Take my shoes. I'll go and put the laundry downstairs and see you guys later. So guys, now I'm taking this first washing downstairs. So now I stay at the fourth floor. So I don't know if I should take the stairs or the lift. Since now it's late, I will take the lift because and also sometimes it's very good to exercise while going down the stairs. But now since it's late, I'll use this lift. G floor. We're going down to hang washing. Don't forget to subscribe, you kids, parents, everyone, please subscribe and like and share the video.
It's clumsy. Maybe.
Hi. Hi, Emmanuel.
Okay.
So now I'll get in. There's so many laundries down. I'll look for space. There is one. So I'll hang my clothes here. So guys, can you please subscribe down? So now I'm hanging my clothes, so all the girls at home, you also really have to help your mom to do the laundries, cook, everything. And please guys, please subscribe in Winnie and Clothing Show. It's just a new show, so I'll really be happy if you all subscribe. So please guys, and I would really like to advise you all to really help your parents at home. And since now there's pandemic, it's really good to do some chores at home. I don't want to stay, watch TV, video on our phones. It's not really that good. But also, I really love to use my phone, but sometimes it's good to help your parents at home. So guys, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Yo guys, look at this. This shirt is for my brother. I really like it, eh? So nice. It's colorful. Like, wow, it's really nice. Just really wish I have it. So, but I'll ask my mom to make it for me because she does sewing. She sews clothes. She does everything. So I will ask her to make one for me. So there's no need for me to stress. Yeah. Since now I'm done, Winnie's taking long to pass, so let's go up and check what she's doing now. While it's still busy here. Let me go and check on Winnie and my baby brothers. So how are you guys?
I'm fine. I'm checking the laundry.
Okay. Where's Winnie?
I'm just partying.
Yo, she's still partying. Let me go check there. Winnie, are you still partying? Yo, since she's still partying, let's end the show here. My name is Claudine. So thank you for you guys watching, and please subscribe down and also comment to what you would like to see us doing more. And I really love you guys to help your parents at home. Like the way I did, I just gave my baby brothers food. I'm doing my laundries and everything. So guys, please subscribe down. And it's going to be so lovely. Like I'll maybe get 1K for now for the subscribers. And so please guys, really help your parents at home and also take their advice, because if you don't, then so bye guys, sharp hey chara.
Il y a une famille fashion. Donc la mouki a volé la peignoir. Dans les papas, la bonne somme de l'Éali, c'est une famille. Déjà c'est le vêtement. Une famille, au moins c'est une famille, quoi. C'est un modèle, c'est un couleur révélée. Un chapeau, un képi, une famille. Les ensemble, une famille, on a fait. On a ensemble, mais pas moi, ils vont aller. Là, tu peux oser la petite, la relax. Voilà, nous sommes plus une famille. On tire plus une famille. Donc, on a dit ça, nous sommes à Congo, on peut consommer Congo. Une famille à vous, on a dit nous, pour consommer en haut. Donc, c'est une famille. On a dit ça, nous avons la même tête, la Congo. Comment on a dit les vêtements en bout là? Ouais, ça va mieux accompagner quoi. Même chacun au côté d'une famille, en collaboration avec Mercedes. Tu vois, pour le tourner là, on a Mercedes. Chacun OYO, c'est une famille. C'est une famille fashion. Moi, je suis autant pour la bembele, je suis beaucoup pareil. Pour le jaquette, c'est une famille, jaquette OYO. Ma chapeau, c'est une famille. Pour Salino, c'est une famille. Ma chemise, petit de moi. Une famille, c'est OYO. Moni, hein? Consommons Congo. Merci.
Avec un talent, ils veulent tous devenir riches, mais avec un travail,